Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Eden, and this is your name.
My name is Tara.
Okay, Tara. What letter is this? B. Sounds B. B. Okay, this one. What letter is this? C. Sounds K. K. Say K. K. Okay, what letter is this? Okay, F. Sounds F. 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 Letter H. Letter H. Sounds. Okay, now letter. Sit down, sit down. What letter is this? M. Sounds. Now this one, Tara. What letter is this? S. Sounds. And then this one, letter T. T. Sounds T. 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 Okay, letter R. Sounds R. You do. You put your tongue inside. Okay, come on. Say Very good. Good job. Now, all right. So we will do the reading. Okay, Tara. This one. Okay, what is this? How do you read this one? K, a, t, cat. K, at, cat. K, at, cat. 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 K, cat.
Cat.
Okay, good job. This one. Letter. Okay, this one. Tara. F, at, t, f, at, t, f, at, f, at, fat, 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 fat. Okay, fat. This one. At, mat, mat. Very good. This one. B, at, b, at, bat, bat. And this one. R, at, rat, 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 rat. Okay, next one, last one. At, sat, 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 sat. One more time, say sat. This one, rat, rat, bat, bat, mat, fat, fat, fat. Okay. Cat. Cat. Okay. Very good. Good job. See you.